Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for maths class. First, focus on building a strong foundation. Ensure you understand every core concept before moving on to practice problems. Reviewing topics from previous classes, especially calculus and algebra, is crucial for success. Dedicate time to mastering all formulas and theorems. Writing them down multiple times can significantly aid memorization and recall during exams. This initial step is vital for long-term understanding. Consistent practice is absolutely essential for excelling in mathematics. Aim to solve a wide variety of problems every single day, drawing from both your textbook and additional reference materials. Try to complete at least 20 to 30 problems daily to build speed and accuracy. Remember, the goal is to deeply understand the step-by-step solution process, not merely to arrive at the correct final answer. This approach strengthens your problem-solving skills. As you approach exams, effective revision becomes paramount. Develop concise notes for all important formulas and frequently encountered problem types. Make sure to solve previous year's question papers, simulating exam conditions with a timer, to improve your speed and time management. Crucially, identify your weak areas through this practice and dedicate extra time and effort to mastering those specific topics. This targeted approach maximizes your study efficiency. Finally, maintaining consistency and knowing when to seek help are vital. Try to stick to a regular study schedule, perhaps dedicating around 2 hours each day specifically to mathematics. Never hesitate to ask your teachers or classmates for clarification whenever you encounter a doubt or a challenging concept. Staying positive and believing in your own capabilities will significantly boost your confidence and ultimately help you achieve excellent results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.